Okay, so I just need you to take a second and be really excited about my curls, right? It's probably one of my favorite assets. I love the way my hair looks when it's humid outside and it's crazy town, right? So, crazy town curls. Okay, this video is about utilizing the assets you have, but not your hair, right? And not any of those other assets. We're talking business assets and figuring out what you need to fix a particular problem you have or work on a particular journey path thing you have. This goes a little bit back to problem solving, which was an earlier video. I'll put a link to that in the description. The idea is that you most likely already have what you need in order to solve the problem you have. And if you don't have what you need, you have to figure out what you have in order to determine what you still need to fix the current problem that you're having, right? So here's where this comes in. The idea is that my suggestion, and what I tell clients to do is to go through and outline all of the assets they currently own. If you are an entrepreneur, if you're a small business owner, if you've been in the online space for any amount of time, you have probably bought a crap ton of things, which means most likely you already have the thing you need to fix the problem you're currently having. So go through and inventory everything and put them into categories. You know, if you like spreadsheets, put them on a spreadsheet, put them in a Google sheet, and label them with, I like to do high-level categories. So if it's marketing based, if it's a website based thing, looking at the problem it says it's supposed to solve. And I recognize that we don't always buy things and use them, nor do we buy things and use them for the things that the makers thought that they would be used for. I would categorize by problem solving. So what is it intended to solve? Then from there, look at the current problem you're having and outline what you think you need in order to solve the problem you're having. Once you've made that list, go back to your inventory list. You can draw lines if you want. You can do like a matchmaking thing. However it makes it pretty for you. You can use colors, you can color code it, but use your inventory list and match up on your list of what you think you need to solve the problem you're currently having. And from there, you will have a shopping list, basically, of what you need to start putting your connection pieces together. So that is how we use the assets we have, right? Nice and short. If you have any questions about what the heck I'm talking about, feel free to put them in the comments or send me a DM. And yeah, that's it. I know, but the curls though, I don't know what to do with the curls. They're like everywhere today. It is so humid today. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day. And good luck with your problem solving and your project management, and I will talk to you on the next video.